It's Lookiero. If you want to know what I got in my box for the month of October, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. Today we're going to look at Lookiero. Lookiero, for those of you that do not know, this is a clothing subscription. You can have it basically really when you want. You would do a small profile of the things that you like, colours, textures, patterns, unpatterned, trousers, no trousers. You get the idea. Now, the profile doesn't always work. It's not really till I started having Toby, my stylist, that things started to go a little bit right for me. When you get your box of clothes, it comes like this. Anything you do not want, they provide you with a return bag. Pop anything you don't want back in there and take it to your local drop-off place. Lookiero does cost £10 a month. It's a styling fee. You're paying somebody to essentially, I guess, shop for you. If you buy anything from your parcel, then you will have £10 deducted off that. Lookiero also give 25% discount if you decide to keep all 5 items. So it's really good. I'll leave a link down below. If you decide to try Lookiero for yourself, you'll get £10 off your first order, and I get £10 for recommending you. So it is definitely a win-win. I feel like Lookiero have had a slight overhaul on branding. Normally we don't get little pink envelopes like this. We normally get it in this brown horrible wallet thing. So I really like the little touch that they've kind of changed that. And inside this envelope, we see some paperwork, pretty straightforward and easy. I like the fact that they've got my name on the front here. Before they didn't do that. This is just little pictures of the items that you'll receive in your box. This helps you to kind of pair it with anything you may already have in your wardrobe. Then you will receive a little short note from your stylist, who I said was Toby. These just give you ideas of how to put the things on that you will receive in your box, which I really find really quite helpful. You'll then receive an invoice, £10 credit, which we've already discussed. And this is just highlighting the fact that they've had a bit of a rebrand. I wouldn't say rebranding as such, but they've kind of updated, I think, like their service. And for some reason, we get a little packet of stickers. So as always, I will go through the clothing items. I've done a little video which you will see here of all the things that I have tried on for you. What I like you to do is look at the videos and then comment down below what you think are keepers and what are not so great. I will say there are a couple of pieces in this box that I really actually do like. So we'll start off firstly. This is a jumper dress. So look out for the video. I really like this jumper dress. I'm not sure whether it's very flattering on me. I did try it on with a little belt, just to try and cinch my waist in a little bit. I will say this would be a very comfortable piece to wear. I think jumper dresses are quite versatile in the fact that, you know, you can dress them up with some knee-high boots or something, ankle boots, shoes. You can put a pair of leggings on underneath, you know, black leggings if it's particularly cold outside, or just thick tights. So I really did like this on. I also really do like the quality of this. It feels nice and warm. It's quite heavy. I would be a little bit concerned about washing it, so I would have to obviously sit there and read the care labels. But failing that, I really do like it. Now, what else I would do in the video is I would tell you the price, the branding and the sizing. So this is by Villa. It's called the Villa Dress Wool. It's an extra large. The colour's grey and the cost is £30, which I do not think is a bad price at all. So I can see myself keeping this, but I do like to see the playbacks, because what I think when I look down often contradicts what I actually look like on a video. So that's the first item. Don't forget, leave me your thoughts and let me know whether you think they're good or not. Next is this faux leather skirt, which again I really like. This is something that I would actually go and pick from a shop. So Toby's got this spot on in regards of my taste. So it's quite stretchy. It's noisy. So when I was walking about doing the try on, it is very, very noisy. But I do really, really like it. It's got workable back pockets. The front pockets are not though. They're not real. Okay, so this is by, let's have a look. This is by Only. It's called Coated Skirt. It's XXXL. It's black and this will cost £40. Okay, next I tried on was this little top. How cute is this? So pretty. I do like the colour. I like the pattern. I think it's cheetah print. I get so confused with all these prints. It's a round neck, which I quite like. I wouldn't say it's overly thick, but it's warm. It will keep you warm in the winter months, and I think it looked absolutely gorgeous with the skirt. So I don't know, that's definitely a hit as well. I kind of thought I was done with the old sort of prints, the leopard prints, animal print. But I really like that. It's blue and it's different, blue and black. So this is by B. Young. It's the t-shirt printed, extra large, blue, dark. And this is £22.99, which I don't think is a bad price. Good quality. I liked it. Okay, next we have another t-shirt. This is definitely favourite t-shirt of mine, definitely my style again. This is so me, so me. I loved it with the faux leather skirt on. Absolutely loved it. As you can see, it's a round neck. Sort of sleeves I like. Okay, so the branding is Leah. It's called a crew t-shirt. The size is extra large. The colour's black. The price on that is £26.99, which I think is a little bit expensive. Just a little bit. Right, okay, and last of all we had the jacket, which was this. Okay, so as far as the jacket goes, this is not something that I would consider buying. I didn't like it on. I don't feel it gave me any shape. It may be because it maybe was a little bit too big. But no, I don't kind of like this. Again, I will look at the playback, but for me, I mean, I quite like the style and everything. I just didn't feel it looked great on me. Yeah, it's a bit, no, I don't know. So this is by Only. It's called Jacket Utility, extra large. It's called Brown Light, and this is a whopping £55. Whoa. So yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Okie dokie, so the whole box came to £174.98. I had a £25 credit, so they took that off. I also had my styling fee, so they took that off. 25% discount if I choose to keep everything. So the grand total would be £98.74, which I think is, yeah, that is okay. I wouldn't mind paying that. For me, I'm probably definitely looking at keeping the Lee Cooper t-shirt. Quite like this. In fact, I liked all the clothing apart from that bloody jacket. So it probably makes sense to actually buy the whole box for 100 quid and then just maybe sell the jacket on or something. I don't know. So yeah, I like all them clothes, to be honest. Okie dokie, so if you haven't already, please don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll leave the link down below for you to go click on and have a look. And also, if you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm sorry if the video is a little bit all over the place. I'm trying to rush it before the children come home from school. So apologies that it's a little bit probably rushed and a little bit here, there and everywhere. I apologise. Okay, so that's it for now. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll speak to you real soon. Take care, bye.